Welcome back to the Skate a Day Challenge, besties. We are on, I believe, day 20. In our previous video, we talked about how to balance on your toes and how to do toe spins. So today we're going to talk about how to do some heel toe balance. And then you can guess what we're going to do after that. If you're new here, hi, I'm Shishi, aka Bloom, aka your new skate bestie, here to teach you all the cool tips and tricks to get you rolling and comfortable on your roller skates. Oh, and one thing I forgot to mention, make sure that you practice the spins and everything that we're doing on both sides, your dominant side and your weak side. In my opinion, the toe spins are harder than the heel toe spins, which is why I started with that one first. But some people find the toe spins easier. It's all in personal preference, really. So for heel toe balance, it's pretty much going to be the same thing. We're still going to have one foot slightly in front of the other. And then don't forget to practice on both sides. And then this is just going to be a short, subtle movement. Once you get comfortable with it and you gain the muscle memory, you'll be able to make it big. But for now, we're going to go small. We're going to go small and work our way up. One foot is going to be slightly in front of the other. And I like to make sure that my knees are soft. And I just pop up, okay? You want to try to keep your upper body still and straight up. I'm not on very level ground, so it's going to be a little bit difficult for me to actually hold it and show you standing still. And a little drill I like to practice to be able to work both sides is pop it up, put it down, pop it up, put it down. Oh, look at that. We got us a little dance. Once you get the idea of where your weight is distributed, then you can kind of play around with it a little bit and then you can get rolling. Another little pre-tip, if you're not ready to pop up on both at the same time, lift up the toe on your leading foot and then try to pop up your heel. And that's going to be it for today, besties. Quick and simple. I want you to get real good at it, so make sure that you practice so that you can gain all of that muscle memory and you get dominant on both sides. And once you're ready, then we're going to turn it around. We're going to start spinning. If you like this video, give it some love. Share it with a bestie who may want to join this challenge with you. And I absolutely love hearing about your progress. So if you'd like to share your journey with me, I would love to hear it. Leave a comment below and let me know. Until then, I will see you on the skate floor, besties.